Setting goals to achieve success. Have you thought about what you want to be doing in 5 years' time? Are you clear about what your main objective at work is at the moment? Do you know what you want to have achieved by the end of today? If you want to succeed, you need to set goals. Without goals, you lack focus and direction. Goal setting not only allows you to take control of your life's direction, it also provides you a benchmark for determining whether you are actually succeeding. To accomplish your goals, however, you need to know how to set them. You can't simply say, "I want," and expect it to happen. Goal setting is a process that starts with careful consideration of what you want to achieve and ends with a lot of hard work to actually do it. In between, there are some very well-defined steps that transcend the specifics of each goal. Knowing these steps will allow you to formulate goals that you can accomplish. Here are our 5 golden rules of goal setting. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Set smart goals. You're not going to achieve your goals if they aren't smart. If you haven't heard of SMART goals already, they are goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. By setting goals that have these characteristics, you're setting yourself up for greater success. 2. Write them down. Don't just daydream about your goals, put pen to paper and write them down. This makes your goals more tangible and makes them seem more real. A study by Dr. Gail Matthews of the Dominican University of California shows the effectiveness of writing down goals. According to his research, people who write their goals have a better chance of accomplishing more than those who do not write down their goals. 3. Break it down. Because goals are often long-term and abstract by nature, make them more digestible by breaking them down. Use a goal ladder by writing your main goal at the top rung of the ladder. Work your way through the rest of the ladder steps, writing down the smaller goals you need to achieve in order to achieve your main goal. 4. Take action. Goals aren't going to achieve themselves. Once you've got a clear plan of how you want to achieve your goals, it's time to get proactive. Put your plan into action. Even the smallest act makes you one step closer to your goal. 5. Stick with it. Remember, goal setting is an ongoing activity, not just a means to an end. Build in reminders to keep yourself on track, and make regular time slots available to review your goals. Your end destination may remain quite similar over the long term, but the action plan you set for yourself along the way can change significantly. Make sure the relevance, value, and necessity remain high. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.